Hello friends, this is Child Psychology, 50 MCQs asked in previous exams. All the questions are very important for all the competitive exams. Here question number 1 is, how did Piaget describe children? And there are 4 options. You can guess the answer. And the right option is option 4. Jean Piaget described children as like small scientist. Like a small scientist. Question number 2. What is object permanency? What is object permanency? And there are 4 options of this question. The right option is option 3. Object permanency means the ability to know that not seeing an object does not mean it does not exist. Object permanency means the ability to know that not seeing an object does not mean it does not exist. Question number 3. Vygotsky considered language to be, and the 4 options are there. You can guess the correct option. And the answer is option first, a cultural tool. Question number 4. What is phonological awareness? Phonological awareness. And the 4 options are knowledge of language, knowledge of music, knowledge of words, or a knowledge of sounds. And the correct option is phonological awareness means a knowledge of sounds. Fifth question. Which two of the following are used to promote reading? 4 options are there. And the correct option is first and second. Synthetic phonics and analytic phonics. Question number 6. In which year the Child Labor Protection and Regulation Bill was passed? 1986, 1988, 1990, 1983, and the right answer is 1986. The Child Labor Bill, बाल श्रम का जो कानून बनाया गया था, that bill was passed by Parliament in 1986. Question number 7. Blank mean all children in the same classrooms in the same school. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Exclusive education, integrated education, special education, or inclusive education. And the right option is option 4. Inclusive education. Samagra Shiksha. That is all children in the same classrooms in the same school. Samagra Shiksha. Question number 8. Balanced curriculum is also known as, and the right answer is integrated curriculum. Balanced curriculum means integrated curriculum. Question number 9. Delinquency is committed by the children in age group of, and the right answer is 8 to 18 years. Question number 10. Erik Erikson was founder 4 options: psychological development, sociological development, psychological development, or both A and B. And the right answer is a psychological development. Erik Erikson was founder of psychological development. Question 11. Who is the father of child psychology? And the right answer is Jean Piaget. Was born in 1896, died in 1980, is known as the father of child psychology. He was a Swiss psychologist who developed a theory of cognitive development that describes how children's understanding of the world progresses. So, मनोविज्ञान के जो पिता हैं जॉन पियाजे. Question number 12. At what age does cognitive development peak in children? And the right answer: cognitive skills develop significantly from age 2 to 7. 2 से 7. Question number 13. Who developed the theory of cognitive development? And the answer is Jean Piaget. Question number 18. What is scaffolding in child development? And the answer: support provided by teachers to help children achieve goals they can't reach alone. That is called scaffolding. Question number 15. Who proposed the zone of proximal development? Zone of proximal development, and right answer is Lev Vygotsky. Question number 16. Who is known for the theory of multiple intelligence? Multiple intelligence, बहुबुद्धि का सिद्धांत. And the answer is Howard Gardner. Howard Gardner. Question number 17. At what age does a child typically begin to speak? And the right answer is around 12 to 18 months. 12 to 18 months. Question number 18. What does the term cognitive development refer to? Means meaning of this term cognitive development. And the answer is the development of thinking, reasoning, and understanding. Okay, thinking, reasoning, and understanding. सोचना, तर्क करना और समझना collectively is called cognitive development. Question 19. Who introduced the concept of classical conditioning? शास्त्रीय अनुबंध की अवधारणा किसने दी थी? And the right answer is Ivan Pavlov. Question number 20. What does schema mean in cognitive development? And the answer is a framework or concept to organize and interpret information. जानकारी को व्यवस्थित और व्याख्या करने के लिए एक ढांचा. Question number 21. At what stage does a child develop object permanence? At what stage does a child develop object permanence? And the answer is sensory motor stage. संवेदी मोटर चरण in Hindi. Question number 22. What is operant conditioning? And the answer is a learning process through rewards and punishment. That is called operant conditioning. इनाम और दंड के माध्यम से सीखने की जो प्रक्रिया होती है that is called operant conditioning. Question number 23. What does the term metacognition mean? And the answer is awareness of one's own thought processes. अपने विचार प्रक्रियाओं की जागरूकता. is called metacognition. Question number 24. Who introduced the hierarchy of needs? And the answer is Abraham Maslow. जरूरतों के पदानुक्रम का परिचय किसने दिया था? एंड द आंसर इज अब्राहम मैस्लो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. What is intrinsic motivation? What is intrinsic motivation? And the answer is motivation driven by internal rewards and satisfaction. आंतरिक इनाम और संतोष द्वारा संचारित प्रेरणा, और प्रेरणा मीन्स मोटिवेशन, इज कॉल्ड इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. एट व्हाट एज डू चिल्ड्रन यूजुअली डेवलप एम्पैथी? Around is 4 to 5 years. Question number 27. Who proposed the theory of moral development? And the answer is Lawrence Kohlberg. नैतिक विकास का सिद्धांत किसने प्रस्तुत किया था? और इसका आंसर है लॉरेंस कोलबर्ग. What is the main focus of Vygotsky's theory? And the answer is the social context of learning. सीखने का सामाजिक संदर्भ. Question number 29. What is divergent thinking? And the answer is the ability to generate multiple solutions to a problem. The ability to generate करने की जो ability होती है, योग्यता होती है किसका? Multiple solutions to a problem. किसी समस्या के कई समाधान उत्पन्न करने की जो क्षमता होती है, क्षमता मीन्स the ability, is called divergent thinking. Question number 30. What does the term holistic development refer to? And holistic development means development that encompasses physical, cognitive and social emotional growth. Holistic, समग्र विकास. Holistic development means समग्र विकास. Question 31. What does the term zone of proximal development mean? And the answer is the gap between what a learner can do alone and what they can do with help. अकेला, एक लर्नर जो अकेला क्या कर सकता है और जब उसको हेल्प प्रोवाइड की जाती है तो वो क्या कर सकता है, इसके बीच का जो गैप है दैट इज कॉल्ड जोन ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमल डेवलपमेंट. जो एक शिक्षार्थी अकेले कर सकता है और जो सहायता से कर सकता है उसके बीच का जो अंतर है, दैट अंतर मीन्स दैट डिफरेंस और दैट गैप इज कॉल्ड प्रॉक्सिमल डेवलपमेंट. क्वेश्चन 32. What is the role of a teacher in cooperative learning? And the answer is facilitating and guiding group activity. Question 33. Who proposed the social learning theory? Means who gave the social learning theory? And the answer is Albert Bandura. सामाजिक अधिगम सिद्धांत का प्रस्ताव किसने दिया था? और आंसर है अल्बर्ट भांडूरा. क्वेश्चन 34. हु इज द फादर ऑफ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी? सो आंसर इज जीन पियाजे. 1896 to 1980. Question 35. Who is the godfather of psychology? And the answer is Wilhelm Wundt. Question 36. Who is called father of Indian psychology? Indian psychology, भारतीय मनोविज्ञान के जनक किन्हें कहा जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज नरेंद्र नाथ सेन गुप्ता. नरेंद्र नाथ सेन गुप्ता. हु इज द फादर ऑफ बिहेवियरिज्म? व्यवहारवाद. बिहेवियरिज्म मीन्स व्यवहारवाद के जनक किन्हें कहा जाता है? एंड द आंसर इज जॉन बी वॉटसन. 1878 to 1958. Question 38. Piaget's developmental sequences follow in which order? पियाजे का जो डेवलपमेंटल जो सीक्वेंसेस है उसका करेक्ट जो ऑर्डर है दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, सेंसरी मोटर, प्री ऑपरेशनल, देन कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल एंड लास्ट वन फॉर्मल ऑपरेशनल. Question 39. Erik Erikson was founder of psychological development is the answer. Question 40. Which of the following does not describe stagnation in stage 7? Which of the following does not describe stagnation in stage 7? It means option 1 to 3 means A, B, C. These are correct. And this option D does not describe stagnation in stage 7. People who are afraid of death. This does not describe stagnation in stage 7. So, this was all about these selected questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.